Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in, so let's dive straight into the UI controls. First, open the Profile menu and tap Settings. On desktop, click the account icon, then Settings. Once done, select Appearance to change theme or language to switch the interface text. Make sure to note whether you're on desktop or mobile because options differ. This step sets the scope. Decide if you want dark mode, compact layout, or a language change before moving into the more detailed adjustments. Now adjust how YouTube looks and behaves. Go to Appearance and pick Dark or Light. Choose Device Theme to follow system settings. Next, open Playback and select Default Quality Preferences and Autoplay Behavior. This reduces buffering or unwanted autoplay. On desktop, click the three-dot menu or the settings cog on a video to enable theater or full screen. Select Compact View in the sidebar to see more items at once. These choices control readability and bandwidth usage, so pick what balances comfort and performance. Finish by saving or confirming each setting, and then reload YouTube so the interface refreshes. If changes don't appear, clear the browser cache or app data and sign out, then sign back in. This forces the client to fetch updated preferences. Make sure extensions or ad blockers aren't overriding layout elements. If problems persist, check device-specific settings like System Theme or reinstall the app. One key tip: disabling browser extensions often resolves UI conflicts quickly, so test with extensions turned off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.